Whenever we think of buying a computer, only one question comes to our mind, that which one should we buy, laptop or desktop? Because both the desktop and the laptop has some advantages and disadvantages. But you can choose any one according to your priorities. So if you are planning to buy a computer but can't decide which one you should buy, then this video will definitely help you, because here we will see the difference between desktop and laptop from many aspects. So without wasting time, let's get started. Price. If we talk about price, then desktops are comparatively cheaper than laptops. You have to buy a laptop for ₹35 to 50,000, while you can build a desktop of same configuration for just 10 to 20,000. PC building and upgrading. If you have even a little knowledge of computer hardware, or even by watching YouTube, you can assemble or build a desktop PC and even upgrade it if needed. There is no rocket science in this. But like a desktop, we can't build a laptop. We can just buy it ready-made, and after buying it, we can upgrade only a few components such as RAM. Screen size. If we talk about the size of screen, desktop has bigger size of screen than laptop. And if we want, then we can enlarge it by purchasing a bigger monitor also. Portability. We all know that laptops easily defeat desktops in terms of portability. We can run by bringing it to home, forest, beach, bus, train, ship, flight or anywhere. But shifting a desktop PC from one place to another inside a single room is also a problem. Number of USB ports. If you need it to work by connecting many devices such as printer, speaker, graphics tablet, external hard drives, pen drives, etc. to your computer, then you can't take advantage from a laptop, because most of the laptops have only 2 USB ports, while a cheaper desktop also has 8 to 10 USB ports. Repairing cost. If we talk about repairing cost, then repairing cost of laptop is much higher than desktop. In some cases, for the lack of advanced tools in the repairing centers, they fail to fix problems of laptop, and they ask the customer to change the complete motherboard of the laptop, although the laptop has a tiny hardware problem, for which the repairing cost increases to 1,000 times. But all the components of a desktop are separated from one another, so only the damaged components need to be repaired or replaced. That makes the repairing cost lower. You can even fix some hardware problems of desktop by yourself, but it is hard to fix the hardware problems of a laptop. Durability and life. Whereas a laptop is a portable device, so there is a higher risk of getting damaged if it falls or hits something, and due to not being able to release heat properly, its longevity is at risk. In this case, the desktop is fine. Pre-installed OS. In laptops and branded desktops, the operating system like Windows, Linux is pre-installed by the company. But in an assembled desktop, we need to download, install and activate the Windows. Number of RAM slots. Most laptops have only 1 or 2 RAM slots, but desktop motherboards contain up to 8 RAM slots. Fitting. We can fit the hardware parts of one desktop into another desktop with the same configuration. But apart from RAM and a hard drive or SSD, we cannot fit any other hardware parts of one laptop in another laptop with the same configuration. Occupation of space and danger from RAM. Desktop takes more space than laptop. There are too many cables in it. Power cables to the monitor and the CPU, VGA or HDMI cable between the CPU and the monitor, speaker cables, keyboard and mouse cables. Due to excess cable, there is a danger of rats biting the cables. But there is no such problem with the laptop. Conclusion. So by now, you might have decided whether you want to buy a laptop or a desktop. Computer is like a boon for us, with the help of which we can easily do even the most complex tasks in a very short time by pressing a few keys or clicking the mouse. That is why nowadays computer subjects are taught in schools from class 1 itself, so that children can learn from an early age and use it for good works. So that's all for today. I hope the video was informative for you. If you want to watch this type of video, then you can also watch other videos of this channel. And if you like it, you can subscribe to the channel so that whenever I upload a new video, you can watch it first. Thank you.